Hello everyone. It's been a long time since I last uploaded something out of this channel. A lot has changed since then, and today I'd like to reintroduce myself, share a bit about my journey, and tell you what you can expect from this channel moving forward. My name is Maximiano Bungalan, but my friends call me Bong. I am a family man, married for 25 years, and blessed with two wonderful daughters who are now in college. As my family grows, my journey is not that impressive, but I'm still thankful to the Lord. He has allowed this to happen and let me experience those things that I had experienced. So, what's next for this channel? Moving forward, I want to make this space an avenue where I will share my thoughts, realization, and lessons. Things I believe that might be valuable to you, whether it's about marriage, raising children, education, social issues, or spirituality. My goal is to provide meaningful insights that might spark reflection and somehow realizations in each of your life. Now, I'm not an expert here. I don't claim I have all the answers. In fact, my perspective comes from the opposite. You probably heard the saying that experience is the best teacher. Yeah, that's true. But there's also a saying that goes something like wisdom is learning from the mistakes of others. So you don't have to repeat them yourself. So that's what this channel is about, sharing, learning, and hopefully growing together. If that resonates with you, I invite you to join me in this journey. I hope that you will support me with this cause that I want to give value to the people, especially my country, of the lessons that I have learned. I humbly invite you to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I am going to put some videos here on this channel. Leave some comments and let's start the conversation. See you in the next video.